Here's how to change chat themes on Instagram. First you want to do is actually exit out and go over to your Google Play Store or your App Store. It doesn't really matter. Then in the search bar, you want to find Instagram. Once you're in the Instagram page, basically what you want to do is update Instagram to the latest version. However, if it only says open, that means it's already updated, just like mine. So you can simply click on open. Then I'll head over to the DMs and I'm going to change the chat theme with my friend. So now that we're in my friend's account, as you can see, what you want to do is basically at the very top, just tap on it. And as you can see, at the very top, it says theme. So now I'm going to click on theme and then I'm going to change it to whatever I want. There are a lot of options to choose from. So let's just change it to this dog theme and just like that. And now if we exit out and as you can see, the theme changed completely.